First start was running a okay, so we turned the main power off coming in, and the brain box is letting it know to go ahead and kick on, which it is. The electric company's going to come in and do their permanent hookup there. Inspector's coming in to verify everything tomorrow. There, now it's just kicked in, letting it know it's got all the juice it needs. You can see the light just went on in the room. Pretty cool. They will not run out of electricity here. They can come in landscape, put some dirt around their little concrete slab. But golden.